Hello, this video will be about using GitHub Copilot to try to do an OCR just by letting GitHub Copilot to write the code itself, and I will try not to touch it, and let's see how it goes. So first of all, we will need to see how we can read an image. Let's say we put a command to read an image using OpenCV. Let's see the possible solutions that come up. Okay, so we have pretty good solution here, and let's just pick this one. I think okay, yeah. So let's just keep this. So now we are able to read an image. So next step is to try to do an OCR with it, and for now what I'm thinking of is to use an open solution with a library called Tesseract. So I will just write it here to use Tesseract to read the image. Okay, let's see the solutions.
Come up. Okay, this does not look good. Okay, let's see.
Use PyTesseract to detect to recognize text in the image. Okay.
Let's see the solution for this command. Let's just
change to other, then use PyTesseract. Okay, let's just import PyTesseract here. Oh, why is it giving me? Okay, I think just do it ourselves. Okay. So I think in PyTesseract we have this image to box, image to data, image to string. So I think the best way to put a command is to use PyTesseract. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, that just popped up. Okay. 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 Oh, that's good. Let's try to run it. Unsupported image object. Okay, we have to change an image and use the image, and let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, so we have here your company. Welcome to company name, date. Oh, everything actually looks good. It seems to work now. So I think that's it, maybe. I'm pretty impressed. Didn't expect to get it that good. Let's try other image. This is quite blurry, but okay, let's try. Okay. Framework for voluntary repatriation. Okay. Yeah, it seems to work, and since this is PyTesseract, so I guess we can say that, I mean, yeah, there's some mistakes here, but yeah, so I mean, PyTesseract is not the best, but gets the job done somehow, and it works, but not the best, but well, it works. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. So these lines of code are written by Copilot, and well, we get an OCR just from these lines, and I didn't actually write the code, and I think I just put import here, and the rest are from Copilot itself, and also the image path, and everything else is from Copilot. So that's pretty impressive, and let me know what you think of it, because I'm pretty surprised myself. We pretty much get like a pretty good result in a short amount of time and short lines of codes. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with Copilot. And I think if you don't have any experience with OpenCV or PyTesseract, you can still probably get this done with just Copilot. I only import PyTesseract and I get this file to make it work. So if I was a beginner in a new language or a new framework or library, this would probably help a lot. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.